Stay group namaga children. In previous class we have seen how to multiply the rational number. Today we are going to learn how to divide the rational number. Let's see here, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers. A by b and c by d are two rational numbers and b comma d not equal to 0 because b and d are denominators. Denominator will be 0 means the result is not defined, so that the condition is given here. Okay children, see here I am going to divide these two rational number a by b divide c by d. If I want to divide, I have to follow some certain steps. Okay. See here, first you write the first term as it is. Next you have to change the symbol. So here division is given. We are going to change into multiplication. If I want to change, what I have to do? I have to take the reciprocal of the second term. Reciprocal of the second term. Here the second term is c by d. So the reciprocal of c by d is d by c. What is meant by reciprocal? See here, what I did here, just I interchange the places of numerator and denominators. So this is reciprocal. Okay. See here, c is in the numerator place, it goes to the denominator place. D is in the denominator place, it goes to the numerator place. This is the reciprocal. Okay children. After that, as usual, you multiply the number. Numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So a by b into d by c equal to ad divided by bc. Okay children, that is they given here, divide by a rational number, multiply by its reciprocal. This is the clue point. Okay, divide by a rational number, we multiply by its reciprocal. We have to take the reciprocal. After that, we multiply with the first term. Do you understand children? Let's see the exercise. Self-practice 1C, divide. Fourth question, see here, the first one, 44 divided by 65, divide 11 by 13. So, we are going to divide these two rational numbers. Okay, what is the first step children? We have to take reciprocal of the second term. Here the second term is 11 by 13. Second term is 11 by 13. First, we are going to take reciprocal. So, the reciprocal of 11 by 13 is 13 by 11. Interchange the numerator and the denominator places. Okay, 13 by 11. After that, you write the first term as it is, 44 by 65. Next, we are going to change the sign. So, division is the division, we are going to change multiplications. Once you change, remain here, you have to write the reciprocal of the second term. So, the reciprocal of 11 by 13 is 13 by 11. Okay. Now, we are going to multiply these two rational numbers. Before multiply the number, we have to check whether any other possibilities are there for cancel. Okay, here 11, 44. So 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. 13 ones are 13, 13 fives are 65. Okay, see here in the numerator 4 into 1, denominator 5 into 1. So what is the answer? 4 by 5. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5. So 4 by 5. So what is the answer children? 4 by 5. Do you understand children? See the next question. See here, minus 8 by 17 divide 24 by minus 51. What is the first step? We have to take reciprocal of the second term. What is here? What is the second term here? 24 by minus 51. Okay. So, the reciprocal of 24 by minus 51 is minus 51 by 24. Okay children. Next, you write the first term as it is, 8 by 17. Next, you change the sign. Divisions will change multiplication. Next, you write the reciprocal value, minus 51 by 24. Now I am going to cancel the number. Okay, see here, 8 by 17 we can't cancel. 51 by 24 we can't cancel. We can, okay, if it is cancelled, we can use the 3 table, we can cancel this. Okay, so using this, or here 3 ones are 3 and remaining 2, 21. 7 threes are 21. Here 8 threes are 24. Okay, next 17 ones are 17. 17 ones are 17. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Now you see the numerator. Minus 1 into minus 1 divide by 1 into 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 you get 1 divided by 1 you get 1. So what is the answer children? 1 is the answer. You understand children? Shall we move on to the next question? See the next question, 115 divide minus 23 by 5. Okay, first you take the reciprocal. The reciprocal of minus 23 by 5 is 5 divided by minus 23. Okay. Now write the first term as it is, 115 into 5 divided by minus 23. Okay, see here, 23 ones are 23, 23 fives are 115. Now you multiply the numerator, 5 into 5, the denominator minus 1 is there. So 25 by minus 1, you know very well, plus divided by minus equal to minus. Okay. So what is the answer? Minus 25. What is the answer children? Minus 25. Do you understand children? See the next question. Fifth question. A minus 1 11 by 14 divide minus 1 7 by 18. Here these two numbers are in the mixed fractions. So we have to convert into improper fraction. Okay children. See here the minus is common for this term. Okay. So you take it out. First you convert into improper fractions. So 1 into 14 plus 11 divide by 14. This is the way for converting improper fraction. Divide, minus you keep it, 1 into 18 plus 7 divide by 18. Okay. Next, minus of 1 into 14, 14. 14 plus 11 you get 25. Divide 14 and divide minus of 1 into 18, 18. 18 plus 7, 25 by 18. Okay. Now we are going to divide these two numbers. Okay. To divide by a rational numbers, we have to multiply by its reciprocal. So you first take the reciprocal. The reciprocal of the second term. Okay. So here the second term is minus 25 by 18. So the reciprocal of minus 25 by 18 is 18 by minus 25. Okay. You write the first term as it is 25 by 14. Next change the sign into. Write the reciprocal 18 by minus 25. Okay. See here. 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. 7 twos are 14. 9 twos are 18. Okay. Now see the numerator. Minus 1 into 9 divided by 7 into minus 1. Okay. So the minus 1 cancel. So what is the answer? 9 by 7. What is the answer, children? 9 by 7. Do you understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? See here, these two numbers are mixed fraction. So you have to convert into improper fraction. So 6 into 3 plus 1 divide by 3 divide, okay, minus of 2 into 6 plus 5 divide 6. Okay. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 3 divide minus of 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 5, 17 by 6. So after that, we are going to divide these two numbers. So we have to take the reciprocal of the second term. So the reciprocal of minus 17 by 6 is 6 by minus 17. Now you write the first term as it is, change the sign, write the reciprocal value. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay. So 19 into 2 divide 1 into minus 17. So 19 into 2 you get 38 by minus 17. Okay. Here the question is in mixed form. So you should give the answer also mixed form. So 38 divided by 17. 2 times it occur. Okay. 34. Now subtract. You get 4. So first you write quotient. Okay. Then remainder by divisor. Here what is there? Here minus sign is there. Here minus sign is there. So you put minus before that. Okay. Equal to minus 2 into 4 by 17. Okay, children. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 2 into 4 by 17. Because here numerator positive, denominator is negative. Positive divided by negative, you get negative only. So that I put minus 2 into 4 by 17. Do you understand, children? See the next question. Minus 5, 1 by 4, divide 7. First you convert into improper fraction. Minus of 5 into 4 plus 1 divide by 4. Divide 7. So minus of 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 4. Divide 7. 7 means 7 by 1 is there. Okay. So we have to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of The reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Write the first term as it is, 21 by 4. Change the sign. Write the reciprocal. Okay, 1 by 7. Now, 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. So, minus 3 by 4. 3 ones are 3 only. So, minus 3 by 4. Okay, children. So, what is the answer? Minus 3 by 4. You understand, children? See the next question. Here, 4 by 9 divide 4 by 7 into 1 into 2 by 7. First, here you simplify the bracket. After that, you multiply with this number. Okay. Before simplify, you first convert into improper fractions. Okay. 4 by 9 divide 4 by 7 into 1 into 7 plus 2 divide by 7. So 4 by 9 divide 4 by 7 into 1 into 7, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 by 7. Now you simplify the bracket. Here division is there. So you have to take the reciprocal of the second term. So the reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4. Okay. So write the first term as it is, 4 by 9 into 7 by 4 into 9 by 7. To cancel 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Now 7 by 9 into 9 by 7. Now we cancel 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So what is the answer, children? 1 into 1, 1. Divided by 1, you will get 1. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. Okay, children. See the next question. 5 into 1 by 2 into minus 1 into 5 by 6 divide 2 into 3 by 4. First you convert all the numbers into mixed fractions. Into improper fractions. Because mixed fraction is given, we are going to convert into improper fraction. 5 into 2 plus 1 divide by 2 into minus of 1 into 6 plus 5 divide 6 divide 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 2 into 1 into 6, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 by 6 minus 11 by 6 divide 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. First you simplify the bracket. See here, 11 into 11, 2 into 6. Because we can't cancel these numbers, so you multiply directly. Okay. So 11 into 11 you get 121, plus into minus, minus. Divided by 2, 6 are 12. Divide 11 by 4. To divide by a rational numbers, we have to multiply by its reciprocal. So you take the reciprocal of the second term. So the reciprocal of 11 by 4 is 4 by 11. So write the first term as it is, minus 121 by 12 into 4 by 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 11s are 121. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Now minus 11 into 1 you get minus 11, divide by 3. Now you divide this, 3 threes are 9. While subtracting you get 2. QRD form, mixed fraction means QRD form we should give the answer. So quotient is minus you put. So quotient is 3, remainder is 2, divisor is 3. So what is the answer, children? Minus 3 into 2 by 3. Do you understand, children? See the next question. Minus 8 by 5 divide 12 into minus 5 by 6 divide minus 2. First we have to simplify the bracket, first bracket and second bracket. First you simplify the first bracket and the next you simplify the second bracket. After that you multiply the answer. Okay, children. See here the first bracket division is there and as well as second bracket also division is there. So you have to take the reciprocal. Okay. First you simplify the first bracket, take the reciprocal of 12 is 12 means 12 by 1. So the reciprocal of 12 by 1 is 1 by 12. Okay, first find out the answer. Minus 8 by 5 divide 12. Okay, so minus 8 by 5 divisions I am going to change multiplication. So I want to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal answer is 1 by 12. Now see here, 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12. Now multiply the numerator, minus 2 into 1 you get minus 2. Denominator 5 threes are 15. Okay, next you take the second bracket. Okay. So the second bracket is minus 5 by 6 divide minus 2. Okay. First we are going to find this answer. Okay. So I have to take the reciprocal of the second term. So the reciprocal of minus 2 is, minus 2 means minus 2 by 1. So the reciprocal of minus 2 by 1 is 1 by minus 2. So minus 5 by 6 divide minus 2 equal to minus 5 by 6 into 1 by minus 2. 5 by 6 we can't cancel, 1 by 2 we can't cancel. In crosswise also there is no chance to cancel the number. So directly you multiply this. Minus 5 into 1 you get minus 5. 6 into minus 2 you get minus 12. Now substitute the values in that given question. See the question. Minus 8 by 5 divide 12. What is the answer for this question? Minus 2 by 15. Okay. And minus 5 by 6 divide minus 2, we get minus 5 by minus 12. Okay. In this also, see here, both the place minus is there to cancel this. So, 5 by 12 you take it as. Okay. Now you substitute the value. minus 8 by 5 divide 12 into minus 5 by 6 divide minus 2. I am going to substitute the value. Okay. What is the answer for this first one? First one answer is minus 2 by 15. Minus 2 by 15. Minus 2 by 15 into 5 by 12. The second one answer is 5 by 12. Now you see here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 15 ones are, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. Now you multiply this. Minus 1 into minus 1 you get minus 1. And 3 into 6 you get 80. Okay children, see here minus 2 by 15 into 5 by 12. First I am cancelling by 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Next 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now you multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 divided by 3, 6 are 18. So what is the answer children? So the answer is minus 1 by 18. Do you understand children? Thank you.